Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Sembun Menteri Rangba Kajla wa Preston Tensong ubalong ruh kajuk kapor Chairman jong ka High Level Committee ulaong ba imat kidekot jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ru kilanang syai ha kabaide ka jingtmu jong ka Sarkar Jilla namar ba nakaliang ka Sarkar kala kren syai baka don kam ne ka jingpen kenria henry amban be ni ban leben yeke jat benreo Harijan namar ba makiru kidei kibaya syong ya salang hakajo ka Jilla kibala senyang ba treshitom na kabenta ka Jilla bahkan kio syakman la benrap uba Preston habaya keren berkilat patai kubor mentakasngi ke henyo terik ujembang arajar arfusau hadin ke jingelang bat kidkot jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee nakaliang ba Preston uloong bahaga jingnya keren nakaliang ke Sarkar kala pen sngow yi jing temu ban pen kenria yi ki breu Harijan syakajaka bala pen kre de ke Sarkar ka babyang bat ka bakhut ke jinglong jingman bana kaliang kinong elam ke HPC ru kila menjur ya ka saindur ka bala pen i de ke Sarkar bat kidkot ke HPC kilapan por biang na ke Sarkar ban penlong saya ke jingyalang ke bakat do ke ban long hakatayo ban ningkong jong ke nyotrik ujileo bat hagni ke jingyalang an sa shimnya ke rai ke bakat do.
I think this is our fourth meeting with the government. It is a very fruitful meeting. We had discussions on various aspects in continuation to our last meeting, and in short I would say it is a fruitful meeting, and there is not anything concluded, but yes, we have fixed another meeting that is in the first week of June, where hopefully I think we would reach to some conclusion, right?
But there have been this allegation that there are around 148 illegal settlers in Harijan colony.
No, those are just allegations, but that is not the truth. That is not the truth.
But was this issue?
It was already surveyed in 2007, whereby the HPC and government was agreed that about the number of families residing there. So it is later on it's thought, but actually it is not correct. You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
But what is the response of the government?
See, government response is positive. As I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We will go back, we will discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want a amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion.
If you can tell us what are these other issues that you have discussed in the meeting?
See, basically there are certain things which I think we'll discuss among our people, which I can't disclose to the media today. But yes, as I told you, to some extent we had a good discussion on a positive note, and once we take the consent of our people, then of course we will disclose to the media also. All the meetings are being done on the basis of the High Court directions that let's do the settlement by dialogue. So,
do you see that next meeting will be a decisive meeting, will be the final one?
I hope so. But let's see.
You said in 2007 there was a census that has been done, kind of survey.
Yeah.
What was the total number of the families that were
What was
decided?
340.
242.
Yeah.
You mean that there's all these 342 families who are residing in Harijan? They are
Government
government employees. Are they all government
He
employees?
will answer.
Are they all government employees?
This is, I think, not the question.
जो 342 families है,
बता रहा हूँ आपको कि जो 342 फैमिलीज है ना, वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे। और ये बात ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है। ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए। और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है, जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी के आधार पर हम ये मांग रहे हैं कि जो हमारी फैमिलीज है 342 फैमिलीज है उनको सेटलमेंट किया जाए।
मतलब आप कहना चाहते हैं दैट 342 फैमिलीज एम्प्लॉयज का नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आप चाहते हैं उनको भी सेटल किया जाए।
See, the issue is not of whether they are employee or not, but since they are residing there for years, centuries, so whether they or their forefathers, but the actual numbers, it was like decided, it was 340.
So do you feel this demand is right? Because many say that only government employees can make such
See, it is the people who are staying there for years, it's centuries. So how you can say it is not demand is not reasonable? Thank you.
Gurudwara Delhi, uba bunsin upentau ya kejing sokia ukwa langru rengkat berloya juki bangin poi sa kejing ya smutu hakaba kanundon kanugunu kejing snomong yang tai dia menta kasni kade ke meeting ke mission dia discuss bian ya kene benta bat ka banga smutunat kolong ngayu I bana kalian joka joki members joka SPC ru I kumbakila nang siai ke nang smutu ya ka jingmut ke jongi na government namar ni na ke government ni patai siai kedai ba ngidon kam ya ke relocation ndai bangin be ndai bangin lek ben yaki kidai ki para baya songlang ame merla ki bela contribute bela tresitom nu nang menta ke jela jongi bakan kiu sakmat ban kiu saprang kam tame ka tu por ka binang ong don tang ka service ka service latrin ka ba 4 don kini ki septic tank kini kitai de maki ki ba pun phoi ki ba suba na dong sedong ha ka por ngopi ni taman pe yaki tenteng ni te ni smi to te nak rau wat ya ka service to ki ni ha la kum nu ban yo por ka e ka ba ki la le ka e ba ki la contribute da kam ta ka jela jong pro pin ong ha po pin ong ha sor juwa ne ha sor turale ha sor shilong ka don ke jinsha ha ka ba ha ki to ki post ne ge la le no don batre ban ye kren sapang ka ni ka ja issue to te menta ka sngi ngong e pi ha ka jing ye kren na so thu ba ki ru ki sai ngiru ngi ai ya ki pet ka ni ka jing thu jongi kumne bin la kumne ni kwa ban ra ya pi ha ka jaka ka biang ka ba long save ka jaka ka ba tham ka jing kot ka jikia na dong sedong ka ban bit ban biang ha ka ba ki pon ki ti jo pi la sai ku siru ki yo ya ka jaka puli ka biang ki yo ka jaka sa ka biang ba ka ba bit ka be te ka wei ka ba ngasutna klong ba na kalian jo kiru kila nang suatu susu ya kan juga blueprint ka bangi ai ka bangi la pensai mat joki ka bangi la ai presentation bat ka bakhandu ha ki jing ren kolong ki panpor ini satang ka last meeting ka bangi hundu bat ka takalong ni la fix ka di ha ka first week jong bulan Jun kamu ha ka neutral ang sa tentatively ngla bu neutral bu Jun bangi pelong ya kan ka jing kundu bat ngang next cap na kalian juk yiru ki ong ba kani ka long ka meeting ka ba khadu ha ka bangi ni asim lang ya karai bat kata karai kan long nakam ta ke jingbit jingbiang joki bat nakam ta ke jingbit jingbiang jong ki panta ke jalan nekla joki baru koi tapi question ni ngan su ong ki tan koi mo kadon ka ak ngindai bat plek ka ak kadon ka ban nadu usnen kat nai spa kan nai pulai nanta kadon biang hadir haraja thakla ka balak batai sai kun no ban le hi kaba ngangamot ban ong takani namar tatuka RTI kabala jubab lat ba jongka Shillong Municipal Board hakaba hoi kasni kiwan presiden pakit khot jongka choisi ban kedu yang tigi pedi ba pleng kinong tre hapo office Shillong Municipal Board kilang tang 100 something te ngamla ban su ong bek ba padei la ni kam dei te namar pi komopi hapo ka Shillong Municipal Board don ka bakam hajong ru ka mudar ka don nang ta next ka don sa directorate of urban affairs tinga pha iya kanika yakikot kisla sya u director of urban affairs ba kum yu usha ki muda ba kin verify ba bat ban lum chu iki kot kisla kibade halo jong ka to reply ka ba ai na kalian jong UCO jong ka slong sebut di jaga ba ya bang ta hina nama ban kumno e swa hadu bangin dayo lo ya ke detail ada